Alright. Weekly test for KIH35.
And for Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s. And now, taking a look at the extended forecast for Saturday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 90s.
Took the 100 activates.
For Saturday night, mainly clear. Lows around 70.
10:59.
For Sunday, partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. Chance of rain 40%. Heat index values in the mid-90s. For Sunday night, mostly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 50%. For Monday, partly sunny with scattered showers and
KIH34 does not time
90.
for the test, I don't think. I think it's just display for the test.
Cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms.
Yeah. Oh no! No! I had my 400 on display.
Frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were
At least it
attached
activated.
to the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built
At least
receivers
my
will be automatically activated
400
by
activated.
these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. The forecast for Pittsburgh and